What is the drone you have ever seen?
This is a Gd91 Max, equipped with the 3-axis self-stabilizing gimbal. It's redefining aerial photography.
Wonderful moments will be regarded as you wish with ESC. Even a new beginner can become experienced photographer. Electronic image stabilizing system automatically improves the imaging quality. Let's just enjoy the journey freely. Gesture photography function also frees us from the transmitter and make photography much easier. Photo design makes Gd91 Pro easy to carry around. The bold beacon flashlights light up the dark and extend every bright moment. Intelligent modular battery ensures long flight time.